Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on emotional intelligence and self-awareness. The question is, how do I enhance my personal brand? Kit, I remember a long time ago we had a conversation concerning leadership, and you suggested that I had a personal brand. Since we've been discussing emotional intelligence and self-awareness, it reminds me of that concept of a personal brand. I need a refresher course. Well, your personal brand is composed of your work experience and education and the benefits those talents provide, your interactions with customers and coworkers, and your values and personality. So what is your background? What have you been up to for the last 5, 10, 15, or 25 years? Consider your educational background and work experience. Compile a list of all the classes, courses, seminars, and workshops you've taken and the certifications, degrees, and diplomas you've earned. Now consider the functional benefits of those talents, abilities, and skills. Because of what you know and what you can do, how does your organization benefit? Improved decision-making, recognizing opportunities, maintaining morale. Next, consider your coworker and customer relationships. How do internal and external customers feel when they work with you? What are the emotional rewards they feel after interacting with you? Do they feel consistently informed, valued, relieved, reassured, understood? Then, what are your values, standards, and ethics? What are the principles which you rely on for making decisions and maintaining your integrity? And finally, your personality. What is it like to work with you day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year? Are you consistently optimistic, friendly, open-minded, approachable? The answers to these questions will reflect your personal brand. My personality, consistently fun-loving and lighthearted. It's fun to work with me. I'm sure you would agree. We spend quite a bit of time together and laugh often. People think I'm kind of silly, but I can be serious too. Thank you for watching this video blog on emotional intelligence and self-awareness. And the question was, how do I enhance my personal brand? Take inventory of your work experience and educational background and identify how others benefit. Enhance your personal brand by honing your skills and talents that are scarce and valued in your organization. If you and your coworkers could benefit from an engaging presentation on emotional intelligence, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide an interactive presentation that will increase your emotional intelligence.